Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. In today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to earn more cake to your portfolio, and you'll be using the platform Binance for this. So ensure you complete this video tutorial to know how. So the first step is you need to have a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, go to the link in the description of this video to sign up. So once you sign up and you've completed the KYC, all you need is to have some cake on your Binance account. So the first thing you need to do is to deposit some dollars in your account. Deposit some dollars in your account to get USDT. If you are from countries like Nigeria that has banned cryptocurrency transactions, all you need to do is to buy USDT through peer-to-peer trading. So if I click on peer-to-peer trading, this is how the interface is like. So you can see USDT right there. So all you need to do is just to purchase USDT. So you can buy from any of these merchants here. So once you buy, you transfer the USDT from your P2P wallet to your spot wallet. I made a separate video on how to do that. I'll drop the link to the video in the description below. Do well to check it out. So this is my home page. I'm back to my home page. So the first thing you need to do is to convert your USDT to cake. And how do you do that? So the first thing you need to do after you buy the USDT is to come to your trade room. Right down here you see trade. So once you click on trade, to open the trade room, so all you need to do is click on this icon right here to choose a token you want to trade. So right here you click on search at the top left and click on cake. So you search for cake. Right here, this is cake. So the pair that you want to buy cake. You want to buy cake. So all you need to do is click on cake/USDT. So once you click on cake/USDT, it brings up this interface. So what you need to do next is just to change this order from limits to market. So once you change it from limits, so you click on market. So that means we are trying to buy at the market price. So right now, this is it right here. So as you can see, the button is on buy right here. Then if you want to sell, this is where we'll sell. That means if you want to sell USDT, if you want to sell our cake to get USDT, but right now we are buying cake with USDT. We are buying cake with USDT. That is the essence of the pair. So right now you see markets. So all you need to do is to input the amount of cake you want to buy. So right here is the amount of USDT that I have available. So if I want to use all my money to buy cake, all I need to do is click on 100% right here. So if I click on 100%, you can see the total here is 334, which is the same as my available balance. But if you don't want to use your available balance, maybe you just want to buy some portion, let's say about $50, just click on it, and all you need to do is click on buy cake. But in my own case, I'm buying everything, so I click on 100%. So you can see I'm buying everything. Let me add 1. Okay, so I'm clicking on buy. So what I need to do next is click on buy cake. So once I click on buy cake, it loads, and that's a success. So you can see in my available balance, I don't have USDT anymore. So now that I have my cake, you can always see your cake in your spot wallet. When you go to your spot wallet, you see your cake right there. So let's go down. Okay, this is my cake right here, the cake I just bought. So now we'll be going straight to how to earn more with this cake. So once you go to your home button, you scroll down and click on Binance Earn right here. You can see Binance Earn right there. If you're using a desktop browser or a personal computer, just scroll and navigate to Binance Earn. So once you click on Binance Earn, it opens an interface. So it opens an interface, it loads the page. So while we wait till it's loading, you see some features right here. All you just need to do is scroll down, then you see some features. You see savings. Let me go back. This is not what we are looking for. Okay, right here on Binance Earn, you see savings, you see BNB vaults, then also you see locked staking, Ethereum 2.0 and launch pool. So what we are concerned with is locked staking. So once you see locked staking, just click on view more. So once you click on view more, it will show you a list of coins, a list of cryptos that you can stake to earn more of those crypto. But for the purpose of this video, we are staking our cake token. We are staking our cake. So scroll down to look for cake. Keep scrolling down till you find cake, and here we are. This is cake. So if you are going to be staking cake for 30 days, this is the annualized interest rate at 31.25%. But if you are staking for 60 days, the returns is 36.42% as the annualized interest rate. Then if we use 90 days, you can see it's already sold out. That means they have a maximum input of tokens. So right here, the minimum you can stake for cake is one cake. Right here, one cake. So I'll be choosing the 30 days staking. All I need to do is then click on stake now. Once you click on the 30 day staking, click on stake now. You can decide to go for 60, whichever one you want. So I click on stake now. So right here you can see my available cake is 25.85, and the locked amount, the minimum I can stake is 1, then the maximum I can stake is 5,000. So if you go down here to see the stake dates, if I stake right now, you can see the value date is going to start from tomorrow, and my redemption date will be July 24. So as you can see, the estimated APY is 31.25. So all I need to do right now is to enter the quantity of cake that I want to stake right here. But in my own case, I just want to stake all my cakes. So all I need to do is to click on max. So once I click on max, you can see it automatically highlights or inputs my total number of cake. So once I do that, all I need to do is to scroll down, then read the Binance service agreement. I've already done that. So once I do that, all I need to do is just to click on I have agreed. I have read and agreed. So once I mark that, you can see it pops up the confirm purchase button. So this is the button right here. So all I need to do is just to click on confirm purchase, and automatically it says I am subscribed. So right now I'm locking this cake token for a period of 30 days, and I'll be earning cake as a reward. So you can always do this every 30 days, come back again and do it again to stack up more on this cake crypto. So that is how to stake your cake and earn more cake on this platform. Now where you would profit more is when the price of cake goes up. When I posted a video about staking 1 inch and Matic, I got a lot of questions about is the price of Matic going to affect, or questions like what is the relationship between the price of Matic and the profit and stuff like that. Well, I just need to explain to you that what you are going to be getting is cake and not USDT. It is cake. You'll be rewarded in cake. So if the price of cake goes down, so also will your portfolio go down. I don't know if you understand, but if the price of cake goes up, so also will your portfolio go up, your interest. So what all you are getting here is cake, is the token, not USDT. So the token you get is independent on the price, is independent of the price. So guys, that is how to stake your cake to earn more cake using the Binance staking platform, the Binance Earn platform. So once you're done, all you need to do is to click on done. So for you to see your you can just go back home. For you to see your staked coins, all you need to do is click on wallets. You would see wallets down here. You see wallet down there. That's the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, go to overview, then scroll down and you see earn under your overview. So once you click on earn, you can see all your staked token, so this is it. Look at, this is my cake right here, and I staked about 20. I staked all my total cake that I bought. So you can see these are also some other tokens that you might be interested in staking. So guys, that is how to earn more on Binance platform using your cake token. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do well to leave a subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, you will be the one to get notified first. So guys, thank you very much. If you have any question for me, just drop them in the comment section below. I love you. Stay safe.